Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ru ban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan ar riu khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell Soup hila banyo na barok kidukan.
You see, we produce about 1,700.
Kajilla Meghalaya kalamat ya kajing pilip Bording mental ajan lai benai AA. Kadon hapadeng kajing bamla setiaban kikli nakadaw ba kajing penmi Bording naladi kadang duna hadu kata-kata. Day nakani kadaw ba sarkar jilla kalahap ban syuthi ya ka Bording naki company ban pendap ya kajing keduk Bording ha kajilla. Menteri Rambak Kajala kajing akramik la pathai khubor hagan real trik unaitung arajar arpulai lai thu ba kajing dan kam Bording jong Kajala kalong kumba 6,000 nyospa million unit hakashisnam bar hadu menta Kajala Meghalaya kadang la men penmi Bording hinalade tang kumba 6,000 hadu 6,000 shispa million unit man la usnam kat ba kajing duna jong ka Bording kalong kumba riuspa hadu nyospa million unit.
The units are water level is low. It affects. You see, we produce about 1,700. We require about 1,700 million units of power every year. Out of that, we produce our own about 1,000 to 1,100 million units of power every year are produced by us, and hence there's a shortfall of about 600 to 700 million units that we require. So that shortfall is normally met by the share we get from central agencies, and rest we buy from the market. So hence, that is the kind of situation we face. So approximately as I said, about 30% deficiency in terms of the requirement of the thing is there. But that's one part. The second part of the problem also we face is that since everything is hydro-based, and so whenever the units are water level is low, it affects all the units, including the central units also. And hence, unless we have a mix of production, it's not possible to really give a complete stable source of energy in the long run. So hence it's a very complicated problem, but we are of course on the job, and I've given some idea about the kind of difficult decisions that we need to make, and we are sitting on it. We have started the process of the solar aspect, but again solar also is not a stable supply. It is something that depends on the sunshine that's available, and hence all these factors have to be looked into. But we are hopeful that we'll be able to slowly and steadily start finding more concrete solutions to these issues.